Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this DocHub guide for 2026, I'll show you how to connect Dropbox to DocHub. By linking your Dropbox account, you can easily access, edit, sign, and save documents without having to manually download and upload files between platforms. So let's get started. First, sign in to your DocHub account and open your dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings, integrations page, or document import section, depending on the version of DocHub you're using. Select a file from Dropbox and open it in DocHub. From there, you can edit the PDF, add signatures, fill out forms, insert text, highlight content, or use any of DocHub's available document tools. When you're finished making changes, save the document and choose the option to store the updated version back in Dropbox. This helps keep your files synchronized and organized. As a final step, open Dropbox and verify that your edited document has been saved successfully. This quick check ensures the integration is working properly. And that's how to connect Dropbox to DocHub. By linking your Dropbox account, you can simplify document management, improve productivity, and work with your files more efficiently across both platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.